How to pay traffic ticket online, New York. So you could pay this to your official DMV or court payment system depending on where your ticket was issued. For tickets handled by the DMV Traffic Violations Bureau, usually in NYC, you can use the online plead or pay service. So go ahead to your preferred browser, go to the dmv.ny.gov, which is going to be this website, the New York DMV. Then you're gonna go ahead here to licenses, permits, and IDs. Go ahead to tickets, and then go press on this. Plead or pay. Once you're here to ways to plead or pay, you have these options. If you don't have an ny.gov ID, you could plead to or pay for a single ticket at a time by verifying your personal information. So give out your full name, zip code, ticket number. So you can see a sample ticket there, ticket violation date, and the date of birth. If you don't have the information listed above, you're gonna address your ticket by mail or phone. So you do it here. Press on this button and it will lead you to a different section where you can enter your information. Other than that, if you have multiple tickets, you can go ahead here. You can access your MyDMV using your existing ny.gov ID. So if you don't already have one, you're gonna have to create an account first. So the client ID number and these other details. So just go ahead and access your MyDMV with your new ny.gov ID, and then there you can pay multiple tickets if you have those. But those are some options you have if you want to pay your traffic ticket online. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.